Deep in northeast India, in the misty hills of Meghalaya, there's a special place called Mawkyrduk. It is home to the Mawkyrduk Monolith. Hello everyone, welcome to Erected. This site is near Mawkyrwat in the South West Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya. It is like India's own Stonehenge, large stones standing in a circle for thousands of years. From Shillong, it is a fun 3-hour drive. The roads are bumpy, winding through the clouds and past Mawkyrwat, the rainiest place on earth. By the way, if you haven't seen a video about Mawkyrwat, kindly check it in our channel. Thick fog made us wait almost half day to film this video. More than a dozen of big rocks called menhirs. They form a circle on a flat open hilltop. Flat stones at the base look like old tables for special events. What were they used for? Maybe to watch the stars, honor the dead, or call on spirits. No one knows exactly, but the place feels magical. There are no crowds, just you and the ancient mysteries. It is quiet and peaceful place. In a busy world, Mawkyrduk teaches us to slow down. The Khasi people built them long ago. These stones remember brave warriors and wise mothers. Tall stones stand for men and flat ones for women. The Mawkyrduk Monolith heritage site is about 7,000 years old. The Khasi people raised these monoliths to honor dead ancestors, kings, warriors and elders. They also used them for tribal rituals. These stones shows the Khasi people's strong love for their land. It lasts forever. This ancient spot has a special vibe. This one feels most like a Stonehenge of old stones. Make sure to visit at sunrise or sunset to see the golden light on the stones.